Hello, I am teacher Khuthala and welcome to our English and Xhosa lesson for today, all in one, as we'll be doing Proverbs. So you may need your book or pencil or pen. All right, so today I myself will use a book and my pen. So what I will do, I'll be writing some proverbs in English and then explain them what they meaning, and also write them in Xhosa and then also explain them in Xhosa what they meaning. So let's begin. All right. Today's lesson, Proverbs. Then I'm gonna underline it. Okay. Hope you can see Proverbs. Okay. So let me start by writing proverbs that I can remember in English. Okay. Done. So I was able to give 3 proverbs in English and in Xhosa. So I'm gonna help you read it out. So proverbs in English. The first one, like a fish out of water. Like a fish out of water, that is when you feel like you don't belong there. So when someone's saying, I feel like a fish out of water, it means that they feel like they don't belong there. All right. The second one, can hold it here. Second one, an elephant in their house. So when a few people or group of people or someone saying there is an elephant in the house, it means there is a suspect. All right. So a third one, you can climb the highest tree. This one is mostly used by an elder person. Elders like to use this one. This has to do with wisdom. Whenever they use this one, just know that they are saying that even though you may climb the highest tree, you will still not understand or know. Okay, so let's move along. The proverbs in Xhosa. So in Xhosa, first one, we have ikati ilele eziko. Lena ke ithetha ukuthi indlala ifikile. Xa indlala ifikile, basebenzisa le ke nguthetha ukuthi kulambekile. Yesibini ithi indlovu ayisindwa ngumboko wayo. Yena ithetha ukuthi umuntu akasindwa ngumthwalo wakhe. Umzekelo, umzali akanoxakwa ngumntana wakhe. Okay, simuvele kwesithathu. Inkabi ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Ithetha ukuthi ulwazi lubuzwa kwabantu abadala. All right, that is it for today. Listen, I hope you learned something. So I hope you may able to share some of your proverbs that you know in your own language. All right, that is it for me, teacher Khuthala. I hope you stay safe, stay blessed. Bye-bye.